Hey everyone, Justin Mueller again here with Pips Ahoy, and I want to show you how I turned my $5,000 account into $33,000 in 2 months. So as you can see here, my live account, moving up and down. Let's go to the history tab, and I started this account on October 19th, 2019. So let's go to October 19th, 2019, and today's date is exactly December 24th, 2019. So we'll go ahead and slide that for December 24th. And we're going to click on OK. And as you can see, it is updated. So if we press the top of my phone, it scrolls all the way to the very top. Deposited $5,000. And if we just keep on scrolling, keep on scrolling, keep on scrolling. There we go. There we go. Profit of $31,000. I made a withdrawal of $3,000. So do the math. I end up with $33,000 profit. So that right there just shows you that you can make good profits by only trading, smaller lot sizing compared to the size of your account. A $33,000 account can easily support a standard lot, but why risk that much when you can trade a smaller amount like 5 mini lots and work your way up? So I'm almost to the $50,000 goal, like I mentioned on one of my other YouTube videos from a while back. So that's goal number 1, is hit 50K. Goal number 2 is to hit 100K. So once I hit 100K, that's when things are about to start getting serious. So yeah, I just want to show you, this is my results so far. This is my story. And yeah, also I want to let you know we have Pips Ahoy hats. So here we have the hat. So we have a gray hat. And then we have the black hat with the gold logo for VIP members. So if you are a VIP member, you can buy this hat. You cannot buy it if you're not a VIP member, but anyone can buy these great hats. So more details will come out in my next video on how you can buy this. I just got to set up everything like my PO box and everything like that. But my personal favorite's the gray one. I like it. It's the colors, the tones, it matches. It's pretty cool. So anyways, that's it right there. Short and simple. Just want to show you the results I've had so far over the past 2 months trading this. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.